Alright, here we are for another fun and exciting video. This one will probably be short. So I have the two equations written down here that we've covered so far. A train can accelerate at, the problem is a train can accelerate at 0.5 meters per second squared. If the train starts at rest, I forgot the at, how long will it take to get to a speed of 22 meters per second? So that's step one. Let's write down everything we know. We definitely know acceleration is 0.5 meters per second squared, and the train starts at rest. Okay, so it's starting at rest, so we know that's the starting speed, and the starting speed is that. How long will it take to get to a speed of this? So there's a new speed, so that's obviously the new final speed, and that's 22 meters per second. And what are they looking for? How long will it take? Well, if you're looking for how long it will take, that's when you're wondering a certain amount of time, correct? So there we go. And then step two, we figure out what equation. We got to find some equation that has those variables in it. There it is. And so then the last step is we plug them in and calculate it. So A, we know it, is 0.5. And then 0.5. And then V, that's the final speed, 22. Minus, let's see, V, that's final, minus initial, that's 0. And then divided by T. T, I don't know what it is, right? Because I'm just going to write the variable if we don't know what it is. Now we just solve. So we get 22 on top, 22 minus 0. T on the bottom, 0.5. Now, remember this rule. If you have a fraction on this side and a whole thing on this side, doesn't matter if this is a super long equation or not, you can take everything on this side and swap it with everything on the bottom here. Now there's only one thing on each, and it makes it quite easy. So let's go ahead and swap it. T is equal to, and that's just an algebra rule, that's not a physics rule, 22 divided by 0.5, and we divide by a half, you just end up doubling the top, and so the answer is going to be 44. 44 what? Well, I don't know. Let's see. We had meters for distances and seconds for time, so it would obviously be seconds. A little bit less than a minute. So there is our final answer. And that was a short video. Try some practice problems where you try to do the same, where you try to find the time it takes for something to accelerate from one speed to another. Okay?